Hey everybody, Joe Nichols here with Vibes. We're at the 2025 Home Show Expo where we partnered with Silent Rivers on the Wellcott residence. Come along as we show you some of the cool features we introduced into this house, such as a Ketra lighting system, Sonance invisible speakers, and many other products from Lutron. This house is outfitted with a Ketra lighting system. The Ketra lighting system allowed us to bring natural colors into the home and really make sure that we brought out the architectural details through lighting in the space. On the main floor of the house, we used a D2 Rania fixture. The D2 Rania fixture allows us to have a small opening in the ceiling, but still providing a lot of light output. We placed these fixtures in areas that we wanted to highlight architectural details and matched it with the brand new Rania tape light in areas like under the hood and under the cabinet lighting to bring out and call out those details as well. With Ketra's natural show, the Rania fixture automatically adjusts based on the time of day to produce the correct color temperature at any given moment. So whether the client turns the lights on in the morning, it'll match the 1800 Kelvin temperature of the sunrise, and then during the midday time, it'll match the 5500 Kelvin color temperature to be able to match during the midday light into the home. Throughout the evening, they can wind down and then produce again that closer to 1800 Kelvin color temperature to match the sunset. This is really important to match the color temperature inside as it is outside, as the color temperature regulates things such as your circadian rhythm. So this is how your body naturally knows how to wake up and how to go to sleep. We installed several Ketra fixtures on the main floor to highlight pieces of artwork. With Ketra's vibrancy mode, we're able to pull out different colors of the artwork and really show off the pieces and highlight what the artist intended. For linear lighting, we use the Lumeris RGBW tape light. This allows us to bring a pop of color to certain areas and highlight other features when we want to, or when the client turns on per se like a party mode or an entertaining scene in the space. It also allows us to then match the color temperature of the Rania fixtures in areas that you're usually left behind. So we've installed tape light above the hood to call out the nice range that was purchased for this house. Again, that's an area that we normally see gets left out with lighting. We see under cabinet lighting, but then underneath the hood it stops. People don't always turn on their hood light, or it's not always tied back into the control system. So by placing the Lumeris tape light underneath the hood, we're able to still bring that lighting experience and highlight the really nice hood and range that they've built here into this space. All of the palladium keypads are engraved with custom engravings to allow the homeowner easy use of the system and personalization based on their uses. In the family room, we switched over to the D2 Ketra lights. The reason we did this down there is so that we could introduce more color into the space and provide just a really cool experience for anybody that was to purchase this house. We partnered that with the Lumeris tape lighting. The Lumeris tape lighting brings out several architectural details such as the arches, the custom built shelves, the wine room, and the stone features that are installed in the wine room as well. The palladium keypad allows the client in the basement to have simple control over the entire system. They can come downstairs and easily just turn on and set the scene. Whether they want to have a romantic movie night, they want to drink some wine in the wine cellar, or just enjoy the space with family and friends, the combination of the palladium and the Ketra system allow them to simply set the scene and set the mood for the entire space. In the basement, we use this Sonance invisible speakers. These are installed in the front and rear columns of the room, as well as 4 in-ceiling speakers as well. We've combined this with 2 dual 10-inch subwoofers, one placed in the front corner of the room and one placed in the back corner of the room. This results in a really immersive audio system that can be used for both movies and music. The Sonance invisible speakers allow us to place speakers in areas that are correct for listening, but not always the most appealing when it comes to design theory and placement around light fixtures, paintings, wall coverings, or other things in the space. By using the invisible speakers, we're able to place them exactly where we need them to be and not take away from these critical design elements of the space. Thank you, Silent Rivers, for allowing us to be part of this home build. This is a really unique project that allowed us to really show off what we do as a company and how our lights and lighting system can really help with both the well-being of the home, but also bring out the design elements in the space. If you would like us to bring these products or anything we've talked about, please reach out to us. You can reach us at www.experiencethevibes.com. You can follow some of our videos on both YouTube, Facebook, and/or Instagram, or feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 515-966-4966. We'd love to help you bring any of these products into your house or just answer any questions that you have.